Samsung Galaxy Z Flip foldable phone is set to be officially announced on February 11th at an event in San Francisco. Samsung gave a glimpse of new square-shaped foldable phone. Its TV commercial aired during the Academy Awards. The ad was broadcast only in the United States. Samsung, the world's top smartphone maker, gave a glimpse of a new square-shaped foldable phone in a surprise TV commercial aired during the Academy Awards on Sunday. The ad, broadcast only in the United States, comes 2 days before its Galaxy Z Flip phones, which open and close vertically like a flip phone, are due to be unveiled at an event in San Francisco. While there were many shots of the phones, which come in at least purple and black, there were few other details. They are, however, expected to be less expensive than the $1,980, roughly Rs. 141,900 Galaxy Fold that opens like a book and was launched in September, delayed by several months after problems with its screens.